Hi guys, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to talk about how to take care of your seedlings when they get exposed to the rain. We've been having rain since earlier today, and this tray of bell peppers already has a lot of water in it. I set this up here next to my garden because I am getting ready to get everything planted in my garden, and this is the next batch of plants that I need to get planted. However, we got rain today and we will have rain here in the next couple of days. In order to keep these plants healthy, the plants should not soak in the water because this will make the roots rot and your plants will die. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to remove the water from the tray. So I'll probably have to remove all of them from their respective trays for now, so that they will not be soaking in rainwater overnight. So I'm just gonna pour this out. And then I'll just put that in the ground. I have some seedlings underneath this table and those are looking good. They didn't get rainwater. But these are the ones that are in the tray. These trays do not have a drainage, so we just have to get them out. I'll just put them on the table right now. As a gardener, you need to be very proactive in taking care of your seedlings. Make sure to keep them healthy. And since these plants were soaking in rainwater in a tray for a couple of hours, I will have to give them some fish fertilizer again when the rain is over. Just have to fertilize them because the rain has washed out the fertilizer on these plants. And hopefully by the end of this week I will have this planted in my garden. This is, see that, keystone resistant. This is giant Marconi. These are actually big enough. There's another giant Marconi. These are big enough to be planted in the garden. I have some interesting varieties. Corno de Toro. And these are some new ones because I usually just plant banana peppers, bell peppers, jalapeno, and chili peppers. But look at this one. This is Jimmy Nardello. Although this one is a little bit on the smaller side. This is Yolo Wonder. So we'll just be moving them out of the tray right now. Another thing that you can do to take care of your seedlings, if you cannot plant them in your garden yet, is to just move them to an area where they are protected from the rain. I have that option as well, but the area is not very close to my garden, so I don't want to keep on moving them in and out of my carport. I feel like it's too much work to do that. Look at this. That's a lot of water. And the plants don't like it when they are placed in this water for a long time. Now the seedlings are here. I removed the trays. The trays are down here on the ground. And then the seedlings are just staying on top of the table for now, and hopefully here in a couple of days I'll get them planted in the ground so I don't have to worry about what's gonna happen to them when it rains again. If you learned something from this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you next time.